Hello everybody! I hope you're all doing well. As you see, I already built a shelter, so that's where I will stay. You all know it was just a joke. This is certainly not my shelter. This time it'll be just quick trip outside. I will try to escape the wind. It's around 22 degrees. With the wind it might be even lower. I am in big fields, so it's not that easy, but I have some ideas. I also want to show you my new jacket. You might like it, so let's go, guys. As you see, some areas are flattened by high winds, but what I found is some kind of little roof from the grass, so I can try to get under it and basically reinforce the roof and maybe sides. This might work. Just temporarily shelter, that's what I'm looking for today. I know it's small and not comfortable, but I am above the ground. It was built in 10 minutes and I can somehow, let's say, recharge out of the wind. So I can even lay like this and perhaps sleep for a couple hours if needed. And as you probably guessed, this location is extremely hidden, which I like. Also, this is the same insulator which I used in my video where I slept on a raised platform. So this is one option on these fields. Let's go and find another one. Look at these. They are perfect. The wind is coming from that direction, so I can somehow make temporary shelter right here. If I would have tarp, it'll be excellent, so I can just put it like a lean-to and completely close me off, and I can spend night over there. And I can also dig into the bale and crawl inside. That'll be the best. And I think this might be a very good place where I can show you the new jacket. This is not the original Kitanika, which is made in USA. This is the Chinese copy, less expensive. On the back there is no hood. This is how it looks like from the back. It's shorter, so you have to somehow count with it. Also, you have pockets right here. Right here. Here is another pocket for things like pants or fire rods, of course. Also, elbows are somehow reinforced. Another pocket. Here is Mali system, which I am a big fan of, especially on the jacket. I added this pouch here, so I have some additional things with me, like, let's say, big ferro rod and some light and whatever. I'm still building this pouch, so it's not done yet. These clips, they are like for really making sure that the jacket will stay on you, but it's partially useless, to be honest. Very good zipper, also inside pockets as well, with strong Velcro. Same here, another here, same on the other side. Otherwise the jacket is not insulated much, almost zero, but the material is, I believe, 1000 Cordura, so it's very durable, windproof, probably rainproof as well. I very like it. It's stiff. That's very important to know, but I am so far very happy with it. Also, there are 2 pockets on each side as well. And the bonus, which I like very much, again, is MOLLE system over here on the sleeve. And I bought this pocket which can hold nicely phone. Also, I plan attach Velcro on the other side of the phone, so I can just add it on this Velcro and it will stay there, and I can somehow operate the phone like that. Also, you have these, you can make the collar more tight, you can tie down around your hands. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I will put the information link for this jacket under the video. It's just product which I like. Perhaps you might be interested about it as well. This was not the natural shelter, but behind me, as you see, are some woods. So let's see what I can find over there. So, at this place, the snow is nicely hard and packed. And I got an idea. I can try to build some snow shelter where I can be protected against the wind and perhaps spend night. Not today, but it'll be just a demonstration how it can be done. So I found a piece of wood which has natural crack in it, and I will try to split it to have some kind of straight piece of wood which might act like a shovel. Something like this. So I choose this spot because it's somehow level. So if I want to make the shelter long as I am, I can basically measure. This is my height. It's same for every person. So if you spread your arms, this is your height. So let's say here and here. So I will add at least this for good measures, and here let's say for some gear to store. So that'll be the shelter size. Something like that. If I will lay, okay. It does not need to be huge. It's gonna be just a small shelter where I can slide, like debris shelter, something like that. And I will leave the snow here because I plan to put some insulation on top of it, like a grass or some boughs or maybe big branches to lay on it. That's just the concept. Certainly if I would have a sleeping mat and sleeping bag, that'll be much better. But for now I can perhaps use what's around me. Now I will start cutting the snow blocks and build the walls. Let me try to get inside. It's small, but somehow cozy. If I will have more insulation from the ground and finished roof, it'll be excellent. Which are my plans going forward, certainly. But today, guys, I'm sorry I'm running out of time. I will get back to this shelter for sure to finish the roof. I hope you enjoyed this short trip where I try to look for some natural shelters without using any tarps or ropes or whatever. I'm still working on the portable power pack, as I mentioned in my previous video, and preparing some other projects as well. If you like content like this and adventures and videos, you can subscribe to my channel, like the videos, comment. I read all comments and always try to respond. I will also add some links to some of the gear you saw today. And until the next video and another adventure, I wish you guys the best. And as always, take care.